In this video, we are going to see how we can explore the sample company or a test drive of QuickBooks Online. So let's say that your trial period has expired and you still want to check some of the functionality. You can still do that by opening a sample company data, and that is for the unlimited time period. Not only you can see all the data, you can enter some of the data by yourself as well. So the only problem is that data will already be entered. You won't be able to start a fresh company here, but you get the rest of the functionality. So what you can do is just from the resources section of this video, just download this Word file where I have the link. Just copy this link right here and paste it in the browser, but I recommend you to open a private window if you are already working on some company, so it won't be able to open that. Just click on these three dots and click on incognito window and just paste this link right here. I'll just make it full screen. It will ask you for a simple security verification. Just click continue. And here you are. We have this main dashboard for the QuickBooks design and landscaping services. Not only that, it is loaded with all the amazing information, and we have this dashboard right here with a lot more data than we already had. So for example, you can see that in our report, we didn't have the data for every single month. So let's say if I want to set it to any specific period, we have the data for different periods right here, and it's much more detailed. So we can explore all the functionality. And not only that, let's say that I want to enter some of the bill, I can do that as well. On the left hand corner, we have this plus sign right here. It is a little bit different from what we had in the other company. So click on new from here and click on the bill, let's say. So bill. And it's basically the classic function. Vendor, as we can see, we have a lot of vendors here. Due on receipt, let's say I want to enter the bill on a current date, and we have the categories. We have many expenses and other ledgers right here, but also we have the item details. So let's say we want to enter a specific inventory. We have a lot of them to choose from, so we can write any of them. We can choose the rate, we can choose the quantity, and we can try entering this one, save. And as we can see, the new bill is saved. We can go to the more and click on transaction journal report to check the journal entry effect. So basically you can work on each and every function in the sample company for the unlimited time period, and that's a great thing. The only difference is whenever you open the fresh company link, the earlier data which you have tried to enter recently will not be available, and it will do a fresh start for the company with their default list of dataset. So that's how we can test all the functionality. Similarly, we can explore some other important reports here. Like for example, in the report section, we can see the standard reports, and we have all the essential reports right here. I just clicked on the profit and loss, and I can set it to all dates. And let's say I want to compare it with the percentage of row and want to customize it further. We can see all the details here, much more detailed that we have done in the project. So we have this jobs available right here and all the details. So this is how you can test the full functionality of QuickBooks and also check some essential reports. Even if you don't have the data in your original project, you can explore the sample company, and it is loaded with all of this sample data for each function to check. So that's how you can access it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.